Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to tell you about our coming soon listings landing page. So this is a landing page that uses a technique called a buyer hook. It's designed to get buyers to sign up so you can then set them up on a drip campaign in your MLS for coming soon listings. And it's a great way to generate buyer leads. And you can do that by adding a QR code that links to it on your business cards, making a graphic on the back of your business cards that says get coming soon listing, scan this code. Or you could post a link to this page. Just grab the link right up here in the address bar and post it to your social media. Or you could even make a postcard or a flyer with a QR code that points to this page and send it out in mailers. There are hundreds of ways that this could be a game changer for you. And then once you get the lead, that gives you a great opportunity to make a call and make a connection with this potential buyer by asking them for more details on the property they're looking for so you can set up customized alerts for them and keep an eye out for that perfect home. So we all know that once you make that call, you have a higher chance of securing that person as a client. And that's all really that it takes. So basically, once they get to this page, they put the zip codes in that they want to see coming soon listings in. Then you make the call, you find out a little bit more information, you make the call, and boom, you have a buyer. And setting them up for coming soon listings, it can be accomplished in several ways. If your MLS has that status, you can automatically set them up for it through your MLS. And if not, then no problem. You always have knowledge of listings that you and your peers are getting ready to list, but that haven't been added to the MLS yet because the sellers aren't ready, or they want to do some repairs or improvements or clean it up for the photos can be taken. And you're just waiting on them to sign the contract. And you have other real estate agents that you know that are doing the same thing that you have knowledge of. So you have knowledge of these listings. You can send this information to them or once you're talking to them. That's all it really takes. The point is that you now have a new buyer client and you can start working with them to find their dream home. And just to give you an example, I went on Canva real quick and made a flyer. Took me a couple of seconds to do this, maybe a couple minutes really. And Canva has an option for me to make a QR code. If I want to make a QR code, I literally could just go here. Now I do pay for the premium version of Canva, but I'm happy to make you a QR code if you want. Just let me know. And you just go and grab the link. And then I enter the code right here, generate it. It gives me the QR code and I can literally just place it in right there. And I can even order these right here. I can print them with Canva right here. So they allow me to do that. And there's tons of different ways that you can use this. You can use a QR code in many ways. I've, just found a couple of them right here. There's a couple of different websites out there. QR Code Chimp does this, and there's also Wise Pelican. Also, WGSD Virtual Assistant does this as well. She can help you make these if you don't have time to do it yourself. So there's another option for you. And then don't forget about our free home valuation landing page. Same thing. The purpose is to get them to fill out their information, give you their address. The next step is going to ask them for their name, phone number, and email. You make the connection, and then you provide them with a CRM, a full CRM that you get from your MLS or however you generate CRMs when you go into a listing appointment. So another great opportunity. Again, another QR code you can send it to your social media, make a postcard, or put it on your business cards. It's a really great idea to put it on your business cards, guys. The back of your business card when you hand it out, and it says scan this code to, sign up for coming soon listings, or scan this code to find out what your home might sell for in today's market, and send it to one of these 2 listing pages. So hopefully this video helped you out. If you have any questions, as always, give us a call or shoot us an email over at support@yoursiteneedsme.com.